Hey everyone, I'm doing a kind of sped up version of how I like to blow out my hair using all Innersense products. And I'm starting with the Hair Renew Serum that comes in the little set. There's a serum for after you wash your hair. It's supposed to help with scalp health, dandruff, all that good stuff. And then I put in some Sweet Spirit leave-in conditioner and distribute that all through my hair. And then I take the Serenity Smoothing Cream, which I love for blowouts. I use it all the time. And take about a dime size amount and then distribute it through the hair, comb it through really well, get it all in there. I like to section my hair in 3 parts. So I'll do the nape area first, and then I'll just do my best to get each side of the nape. So I'll take a section, brush it through, and then just try and get it as dry as possible. And I'll twist the dryer as I'm pulling it out or pulling it down. And that kind of gives a little bit of bend to the hair so it's not just so flat. But I like to do this with my hair. You don't have to, but I really like getting a little bit of wave in my hair. And this technique is good for all lengths of hair. I mean, my hair is about, almost shoulder length. But if you have longer hair, this totally works for longer hair as well. I think the trick is to break it down into sections so it's not so overwhelming. So that's why I like to start at the nape area first, get that all nice and dry, and then move on to the middle section. And I'll do kind of like a horseshoe section for the top area. So here's the mid section, and I'll kind of use the dryer brush going up and down. And again, twisting it as I'm drying it. And I'm doing kind of like, a little bit of a 70s, like curtain bang, fanned out kind of look. So that's why like twisting it gives it that really nice kind of vibe. So I'll do both sides. And work my way to the back. And the back part of this is kind of the hardest part. So I'll leave that till last. I'll do the sides first. And the back part, yeah, it's a little bit difficult. This is probably the hardest part for most people, but you kind of just have to like feel around. And even for me, I'm a hairstylist, and like blow drying the back of my head is always so hard for me. But I do my best just to like get it as dry as possible. Really smoothing it out, twisting it, pulling it through. I love this dryer brush so much. So this is from Trademark Beauty, and it's called Easy Blow. There's different ones around. I have clients that use the one by Revlon. There's a bunch of them. I've heard the one from Amika is really good. That one's like a ceramic brush. It's a little bit more expensive. I think it's about $100. This one's about $50 at trademarkbeauty.com. I think that's their website. I'll put a link down below. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I just really love this dryer brush. Had it for about 2 or 3 years now, and I love it for blowouts. It's just so great for people who want to blow out their hair but have a little bit of just can't do it, just can't handle a round brush and a dryer, 2 different things in each hand. So this is just like one thing in your hand that you can control. So now I'm moving up to the horseshoe section, and I'm starting in the back. And this gives you a lot of volume. You could even use like a volumizing spray or a volumizing foam in this area to get like tons of volume. So going through to doing a section in the back of the horseshoe and then moving to the middle and just getting that as dry as possible. And I like bringing the dryer up and twisting it to get lots and lots of volume. And I have bangs, so I'm leaving my bangs for the last bit. But if you don't have bangs, that's totally okay. This kind of works the same. I like to take the dryer and roll it backwards to get kind of like that flippy curtain bang look. And then if you have bangs, I like to rotate back and forth, especially if you have a cowlick. This really helps a lot to control that cowlick. So swishing the bangs back and forth with the dryer really helps kind of control that. So I'm just going through and just kind of like getting as dry as I can, twisting, you know. So this is the final result. I love it so much. It's such a great, quick way to get a fabulous blowout. And then to finish, I use a little bit of I Create Shine from Innersense, and I cocktail it with the whipped texture cream. So a little bit of each, just mix it all up in my hand. I love cocktailing Innersense products. And you could just like customize it any way you want. It's like, I want a little bit of shine, but I want a little bit of heaviness there because my hair tends to get frizzy and my hair is naturally curly. So when I blow it out, I just want a little bit of control there, but I still want it to be touchable and soft. So that's why I use the whipped texture cream. So I just kind of rake that all the way through, and it still feels so soft and fluffy. And I love how it makes my bangs kind of like lay flat and soft as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it, and I'll see you on the next one.